Ciao svima, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram by the name stefanttt or in English stefanttt, and the country I decided to do for today is Armenia. Now, if you want to know what I think about this year's Armenians performance and what is my rating of the performance, then keep on watching. First of all, before we start reviewing the song, I would like to mention that Armenia is one of my favorite countries in Eurovision Song Contest. From the moment they showed up in this competition, I am a fan. I am a fan of the Armenian touch. I'm a fan of everything Armenians bring to this competition, because really every year they bring something special, which is not the Kardashian family. Now, if I'm about to make a list of top 10 songs in Eurovision, at least 2 songs on that list would be from Armenia, and in the top 5 would definitely be the Armenian performance from 2017 when Artsvik, I think that's her name, when she performed Fly With Me. I'm still like, fly with me hi-oh-ha, with me hi-oh-ha, never stop believing it. I'm still like so in love in that song. I'm still in love with that performance, and up until today, I'm such a pain in the ass to my friends because I have a lot of friends that do not like Eurovision. They're not the fans, but I'm like, you know, I will show you, I have to show you this, I have to show you this. When you see this performance, you're gonna change your mind, because really what she did there, that was pure art. And not just she, also Iveta from 2016 with Love Wave, that stole my heart, and I am so in love with Armenia. After these women, I want to visit Armenia, not because of Kim Kardashian. I love Armenia because Iveta and Artsvik. You can already see that I'm pretty much excited about today's reaction, because honestly my expectations when it comes to Armenia are always high. No matter if it's a good song or a bad song, I always expect them to bring high quality production, and they actually always do it. Last year they didn't qualify to the finals, but I still loved Armenia. I loved it last year, I loved it in 2018 with the song Kami. You can see it. Armenia is one of my top, let's say top 7 countries when it comes to Eurovision. Now, this year they have chosen their representative, and this representative is not anonymous to the world. I know this girl from the X Factor in UK. Her name is Athena Monoukian, and in that X Factor she said she is Greek. However, now when I typed it and I was like, why Greek? I mean, Greek, Armenia, what's happening? So she is Greek Armenian, and this year she was chosen to represent Armenia in the Eurovision. Now, let's talk about that X Factor performance. When I saw her, I was like, wow, this is going to be interesting. This is a beautiful girl. She has this little quirky attitude. She's like full of self-esteem. She stood in the center of the stage. She said she's gonna sing Crazy in Love by Beyonce, and then she winked to the camera. That was the perfect moment. I was like, okay, something's gonna happen here. This is gonna be good. Now, when she started performing, I was like, okay, she's got the voice, she's got the moves, but something was missing there, honestly. It was like, it was okay, but it was a little bit flat. I wasn't excited after that performance. I wasn't like, yes, girl, slay. No, I was just like, okay, I mean, I don't know what happened here. She's got the look, she's got the voice, she knows how to dance, but charisma was missing. Charisma was really missing in that X Factor, and as soon as she left the stage, I already forgot about her and I fell in love with somebody else. Now, this year, she's on Eurovision, and I am excited to see what's happening here. Did she improve since 2018? What happened to this girl? If she's going to prove me wrong, maybe I was mistaken when I said that she got no charisma back then. Without any further ado, let's jump to reaction. Okay, Athena, let's see if this is gonna be a comeback or come down. Love the purple color. I'm a big fan of the purple color. Plus. Big diamond, okay, okay.
You wanna take me to the party? Cause you're naughty. Let me tell you kind of story.
Okay, so this is the attitude we remember from the X Factor. Look at her. She's like, I'm here to slay.
Yeah, I started, I write it, I work it, till lucky, I'm gonna sing now. I ain't no lie, I'm trying, I'm fine, no bite, and I know I'm gonna make it to the top. Yeah.
Oh, that was so sloppy. That way of lifting her up, that was so sloppy, and honestly, I don't understand the words she's saying right now.
Keeping my diamonds on you. I'm keeping my diamonds on you. Keeping my diamonds on you.
Oh, keeping my diamonds on you. Oh, keeping my diamonds on you. This is like the R&B sound, I'm not really sure.
I got angels by my side, this is what I say to you. Diamonds shining on me. My diamonds shining on me. Diamonds shining on me. You say I don't really care, can't you see I'm right here?
She is so she has this figure, big booty, and she really looks awesome. She looks amazing. She works out. As for the costume, the sequence thing, whoa, the sparkles. What is this Beyonce Beautiful Liar vibe? What's happening?
Father screaming boy, let me breathe, you're all I need, and I say boy, call my name with burning flame, I want you boy. I'm yours, only yours, and of course help me. Chains on you, I'ma put them boy chains on.
I forgot to say the song's name is Chains on You, so she's putting the chains on him. I don't know why. And these dancers, they have this like black eyeshadow that goes across their eyes. I don't care for that. There are different ways to be alternative and cool, so please forget about that. And this, okay, let's talk about it later.
Chains on you, I'ma put them boy chains on.
Okay, so she's still got the move. Chains on you, alright?
I was staring at you, sitting next to you. I think I got it just to start thinking how you so you will walk you towards me. I know I should believe I will be the one that really make you feel like a boss. I start it, I make it, I run it, I work it. So like it, I'm gonna say no.
I'm like it, I'm gonna say no. This is such a song for all the bitches in the club.
I ain't no
Fuck the skinny bitches, fuck the skinny bitches in the club.
lie, I'm gonna make it to the top. Keeping my diamonds on you. Keeping my diamonds on you.
No, she's the queen of the club. She's the queen of the club with all the diamonds. She's putting it on him. She's putting it on her. Somebody is putting something over here. We don't know what's happening, but something is happening. And the fire effect. Okay.
Keeping my diamonds on you. I got angels by my side. This is what I say to you. Diamonds shining on me. My diamonds shining on me. Diamonds shining on me. You say I don't really care. Can't you see I'm right here? Boy.
And here we go again with the beautiful light.
Don't deny my lips on fire, screaming boy. Let me breathe, you're all I need. I say boy, call my name, boy, burning. How will
Athena. No, girl. Okay.
you boy?
I mean, this is actually quite fun for me to watch. It's really fun for me to watch, but
I'm yours, only yours, and of course help me. Chains on you. I'ma put them boy chains on you. Chains on boy chains on you. I got it. You want to the pot? Cause you ready? Well, let me tell you kind of story. Chains on you.
I'ma put in my chains on.
I'ma put them boy chains on you. Chains on you. I'ma put them boy chains on you. Diamonds shining on me. My diamonds shining on me. Diamonds shining on me. You say I don't really care. Can't you see I'm right here?
And yes. She definitely amused me. This was so amusing. This was so amusing to watch. I mean, this is going to qualify in Eurovision. I need to give her credit for her looks. She looks like the goddess herself. She has the most beautiful face. Her body is on point. Now what she has put on her body, that's another discussion. That sequenced bodysuit, like, why? Those high boots with that fat heel that looks like the cheapest version of Beyonce. In this song, we really hear the elements of Beyonce. We hear Beautiful Liar part with boy, dun 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 dun, like that's basically Beautiful Liar. Then Nicki Minaj. Okay, you're trying to combine Nicki Minaj and Beyonce, and then we have the part chains on me, I'ma put my chains on. I mean, this is the club song. This really is a club song, and the bitches in the club, they're gonna be like, yes, put those diamonds on me. I'm the main bitch in the club. I'm the queen of this table. Everybody loves me. Every man here desires my body and stuff. So it is a bitch song, and I didn't expect this from Armenia in Eurovision. However, they announced that they're gonna revamp the song. Honestly, this song has potential to be revamped in a way that can become more quality song. Right now, this is just trashy. And this song is okay. It's entertaining. She has the attitude. She's trying to give us the moves. However, I don't even know that those moves are good. Now, this is not a high quality production we're seeing over here. Even that diamond in the beginning, that's so cheesy and trashy. Like the whole performance, all I can think of is garbage. However, it is entertaining. Don't get me wrong. I love trash. I love trash. Even in Serbian, I listen to the trashiest music. The trashiest music entertain me. After this, I'm probably going to be chains on me. I'ma put in my... I'm gonna do all the moves. I'm gonna be that bitch in the club. Now, this bitch in the club, Athena Monoukian, her name is already a star name. However, she is lacking something. The looks is there, but still, for me, things did not improve much from the X Factor in UK. She still misses the charisma, uniqueness, talent is there, but without these two, her talent is just not in the front seat because everything is super trashy. It is a trashy performance. Sorry guys, sorry Armenian people. I love you, I'm very excited about Armenia, but this for me is not doing the deal. I mean, it's gonna qualify. It's gonna qualify, and I'm really excited to see what they're gonna do with the song. I'm really excited what kind of performance they will have, because as I said before, Armenians always bring the big production, and with the big production and the right artists that are gonna work on this can actually look quite good. But forget about Beyonce and Nicki Minaj. Come on, Athena, we wanna see you. We already know Beyonce and Nicki. Where is Athena in all of this? So, honestly, my final rate for this, I'm just going to give this a 4. This is going to be a 4 because Athena really amused me. And for the amusement I got from the performance, it's gonna be a 4. Now, everybody out there, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like and do subscribe to my channel. And tell me, what do you think about the song? Do you agree with me, or you think I'm completely clueless, I'm completely wrong, I don't know what I'm saying? Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts down in the comments. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye bye!